What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Payton, and today I'm back with another video bringing y'all this review for this bomb thick beautiful curly hair from Asteria hair. So let's get into it, y'all. This is the best wig that I've tried in so long, so I'm so excited to bring y'all this review. Let's go ahead and hop right in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
You know what I really hate? But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
Alright, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with this unboxing. I've worked at Asteria hair before, but I haven't worked with them in a minute. They sent me this invisible HD wig cap. They sent two. They sent a cute satin hair tie. They also sent this double-ended toothbrush for edges and slicking your hair down, and then they sent a edge melt band. Last but not least, they sent a silk satin drawstring bag for storage purposes as well. Moving forward, this is the bag that the hair came in. It was pre-packaged, pre-cut, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-everything, of course. That's what they doing with these wigs today, y'all. They doing everything for you. It's so much easier than a couple of years ago where you had to do everything yourself. This wig is so pretty. The curls are so beautiful, voluminous, and the hair is really thick. Like I said, it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so this is perfect if you're a beginner to frontal wigs and you don't know how to do any of that stuff that requires more maintenance. I did not customize this any more than it came, y'all. I just did edges. And I forgot to mention, this is their 13x4 frontal wig. It's in 28 inches and it's 250% density, and it's super thick. The construction is so perfect. It fits my head just right, and it also has an elastic band, adjustable straps, and 4 clips on the inside as well. Even though we just started this video out, y'all, I'm telling y'all, this wig is a 10 out of 10. Like, from the cap size to the curls to the density to the length, it's a win for me. Okay, so let's get into this install. Look at that. As soon as I put it on my head, nothing, it looks so good, so natural. I love how thick this hair is. Like, I kid y'all not, I have multiple people asking me where this wig is from every single day since I've been wearing it, and it's only been like 2 weeks. And I'm just obsessed with it. I'm honestly really obsessed with this hair. Like, I haven't been obsessed with a wig in a long time, especially frontal wigs. Here I am just getting started. I'm gonna be using my Bomb Baby to lay it down. This is me just gluing it. I did do, I think, 2 or 3 layers, and I didn't really take my time with this because I'm kind of impatient. Now that I be doing glueless wigs, when I install my frontals, I just want to hurry up and get that on my head. So I believe I did 2 layers of that Bomb Baby, and I was blow drying it for about 30 to 45 seconds on medium heat. Don't want to do it too high because then the glue would dry too fast. Then I took my Even Wonder lace bond spray, and that was like my 3rd layer, and then I went ahead and blow dried that on medium heat as well for about 10 seconds. I let it get tacky, and then y'all could just see I'm applying the lace down directly with my fingertips. I did wash my hands before doing that, so make sure your hands are clean so that the oils don't transfer into the lace and make it lift up. Then I took some more of that foundation powder. I did apply that on my ball cap, and then I applied it on top of the lace as well after I glued it down. And this is me just taking that pressing comb and just trying to get the perimeter of the wig and the midpoint of my head nice and flat, because I feel like that's what makes it look the most natural. At this point, I did apply my elastic band headband after gluing it down, and then I just took a spray bottle and I started drenching the hair to get it nice and hydrated. And here y'all are just seeing me use my Denman brush that I got from the beauty supply store to detangle the hair and define the curls a lot better. I love this Denman brush. I always use it for all my curly and wavy hair textures. This is the product that I use on my hair. This is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curling Enhancing Smoothie. I honestly don't use too much of this anymore because it does have a heavy hold. I also use some BioSilk oil, and I didn't show you guys that close up, but I love that oil. It makes hair look so good. But not better than this lace. Let's really get into it. Oh my God, this wig is already given. We didn't even cut the lace yet, and it just looks so good. Y'all, this frontal is insane. Here I am just taking my scissors and cutting that lace as close as I can to the perimeter. And this install, oh my God, 10 out of 10. I used some Renutrients Slick Stick, and I put that at the top of my head just to help it lay even more flat. And then I took some Edge Booster, and this is what I'm going to be using to slick my baby hairs down. And I took a small portion of hair that's already kind of sectioned off for you on the unit itself, and I just started to cut it always like to cut a little and then kind of like go in and cut a little bit more, just because you don't want to cut too much and then you can't go back. And I wanted to do big baby hair for this look, and I was just slicking that down with the edge styler, and I always add some holding spray on top of my slicked edges so that the gel holds, because sometimes the edge booster like slips, I guess. I feel like they changed the formula, to be honest, but I still like it because it works. Another thing I always get a question about is, what am I doing when I do this? This is me taking some of that edge booster and just pressing my hairline back so it looks like it's coming out of my scalp a lot better, and then going in with the pressing comb, making it more flat, and then going in with some foundation powder and just covering that lace so that it blends in with my skin color just a little bit better. And that is it. Y'all cannot tell me that this hair does not look so freaking good. Like, just look how thick it is. They don't be making wigs this thick no more, y'all, so trust me when I say this. This is one of the best wigs that I have tried in so long. It's thick, the curls are soft, it was no tangling, it was no shedding. Like, I honestly can't complain. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, literally did not have to pluck anymore. It already had designated baby hair, and the cap was perfect for my head. Like, if that's not a 10 out of 10, I don't know what is. I honestly can't even tell y'all the last time I said a frontal wig was a 10 out of 10, because I've been so stuck on glueless wigs, but this just changed the game for me. I love this wig so much, and I'm really not just saying that. Like, definitely top tier brand. So check out Asteria hair, okay y'all? Now, before we end off this video, I was feeling this wig so much, I was like, you know what, let me do a little style, okay? So let's get into this really cute hairstyle that I got so many compliments on all over Instagram and in person. This style is pretty easy. It takes some time, but I would say it's pretty easy. You don't got to do too much. So I started off by sectioning my hair in the front. I didn't really like measure how far down, but I just sectioned it off in the front a little bit, and we're going to press these two sections and tie them in the back so that they lay super duper flat. This is one of those viral hairstyles. I usually see people do this hairstyle with a claw clip, but I just decided to do flat in the front and a half up half down in the back with two little pieces of hair that's supposed to serve as like a little mini bang. So as y'all can see, I took those two pieces, used my pressing comb to slick it down, and then I took a small rubber band and I tied it in the back so that I could lay super duper flat, and then I just pulled it as tight as I could. Then I went ahead and I did a half up half down after I applied the wax to the front. So I sectioned off just a small section of hair in the back. I honestly, once again, did not measure it. This wig is so thick that it doesn't even matter. You don't have to worry about your track showing or anything. And then I went ahead and just took a ponytail holder and I did a half up half down style, and I just made sure it was nice and secure. Then what y'all see me doing here is taking a piece of hair from the half up half down ponytail and spraying some holding spray, and then I use the pressing comb to basically like fry it so it hardens, and I'm just wrapping that piece around the ponytail holder so you can't see it. And this hairstyle is so perfect for this wig, because this hairstyle, to me, it looks good on wigs that's really thick, so that's why I did it. And then I ended up taking the two strands of hair from the front off camera. My bad, but it was really easy. And then I just used some Nairobi foaming mousse instead of that curl enhancing smoothie, because I wanted my curls to look a little more loose with this look, which they did. It ended up drying really nicely, and this was the finished result. Super cute. Bow, bow, bow. What do y'all think? Like, comment right now. Like, comment, go to the comment section and comment right now. For me, it's giving a 10 out of 10. It's giving a 10 out of 10, chat. I love it. It's so cute, and y'all should definitely try this at home, because I got so many compliments on this wig and this hairstyle specifically. Okay, look how good it looks from the back. Oh my god. And the side and the front. All right, I'm done. I hope y'all enjoy watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all are thinking. Shop with Asteria hair now. All the information is in the description box down below. Definitely give this wig a 10 out of 10. I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.